Scion XB, another one of our shop cars that has 415 American-based Signature Series, powered by American-based VFL 20K. For mids, we have 18 10-inch, 16 tweeters, and 12 horns.
Wow. Are you able to demo doors open?
Yes.
Wow. Did you make it? Did you kind of tune the port to doors open?
Yes.
Okay.
So this whole car, basically it plays amazing with the doors open. It's more of like an outside performance.
Yeah.
But inside the demos are amazing and nasty.
Yes,
You'll
sir.
see what I mean.
Okay. What's your cubic space on this box?
So it is 2 separate ported boxes.
Okay.
Each one of them is 11.25 cubes with 4 sub and port displacement.
Okay. Oh, so there's a split point right here.
Yes.
Oh, wow. Okay. Nice. What made you separate your chambers? More reinforcement, I'm guessing, or?
No, so I wanted more actual performance.
Okay.
So I had to do it in a way, since this car is so little, I had to do it in a way where I could squeeze it. I didn't want to just make a big box and it would have been not enough performance.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Very nice. Awesome. Yeah, I would love to hear it. This is sweet. I like your little portable box that you can carry outside, make it where people can come in and demo it. What's your bandwidth response on it?
So this one here is tuned to 32 hertz.
32, okay. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. Hey, what's going on, man?
Hey, what's up, bud?
Wow. Oh, I like that. You have like a little spacer here so people can sit back and you can still see the beauty of the subs.
Basically, this here, I had to build this because the 2 side walls that it originally just kept on, with the base, it kept on breaking. So more or less, this is like a beauty, how do you say it? Beauty brace.
Yeah, there you go.
So the way that I built this car, I basically took a lot of time, like spent over 1,000 hours in actual crafting it because I wanted the sound to be a one-of-a-kind sound.
Yes, sir. Did a good job. Where are you located?
New York.
New York. All right.
So for the bass, we have a 20K VFL underneath here. We have 3 Audipipe 1300x4 micros for the tweeters and horns. We have the 10K on the front doors. We have a 88 on the back doors, and for the windows, we have a 5K.
Okay. Wow.
And for battery power, it's only on a 288.
What is your amplifier wired to on the subs?
So on the subs right now, I had 2 20Ks at first. One of them gave me problem unload. When it started unloading, it would clip. So right before the show, before it gave me issues, I took it out. And at first, they were wired to 2 ohms per pair, but I had to bring it down to 1 ohm.
Got it. Yes, sir. Very nice. And what's your alternator power?
So we have a stock alternator, and I have a secondary alternator built for this car.
Okay.
Bracket. I have my stock alternator. I deleted the AC compressor, and I have a secondary alternator down there. Custom electric service. 300 amp XL. The bracket was done by one of my good friends, Chico. He's located in North Carolina.
All right.
He custom makes alternator for this car, for the RAV4 cars that really don't have alternator brackets. He makes them.
Nice.
Oh yeah.
What's going on, everybody? I'm JacobViral. I hope you enjoyed that full walker. We got a Leon system at the Team Deadly Hertz show in Virginia of 2023. Be sure to comment what you like about his system and give him a like. I'm really impressed to see how much space he actually fit inside of this Scion XB. Really small vehicle, and utilizing that port centrically put all the pressure on me and the driver. So if you notice, I didn't get an actual view of the big base 20,000 watt amp behind the back panel, but he has a lot of lithium bank to support this system, and he has close to the same amount of power on his tweeters and mid-ranges as he does on his subwoofer, which is insane. And you can really hear the lyrics you're going to see during the demo. And a quick note, having 2 chambers helps reinforce your box. And of course, he was talking about some other things if you were listening earlier. And notice the way he actually has a carryover where he can actually bring his head unit, equalizer, and everything out of the vehicle. So definitely a showcasing system you can play outside and pretty much bring your concert anywhere around the world. So 415-inch subs on 20,000 watts. We're getting to a bass demo now. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button for daily car audio videos every day on JacobViral and enjoy this impressive 5-minute demo.
Let's see, let's get you a nice song. She said I need to tell you something. Boy, look, boy, I'm a freak, but I'm a woman. Hold up, she used to be my favorite chick. After 95, I just wanna pipe. She get paid for fucking over, so she need a stomach tight. Fucking a ride, whatever. Her DMs full of you niggas who got no. My DMs full of you niggas who got no. Hold up, I digress. Bitch, 2 birds with just 1 pitch. She need the can't find him. I told her work out. I broke up with her, it didn't work out. Oh look, my new word like that. Work out. She in the mirror tryna work out. La 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 la.
Wow. That's crazy you have that much pressure coming out of the doors with the doors open.